Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Saturday on CBS.
For children's eyes, a toddler reacts the only...
I'm falling and I can't get up.
Colored and Light Show, only on YouTube.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in again and checking out the all-new video. So in my pursuit to turn the GTI into the best daily driver possible, I started searching for phone mounts. I know some of you guys probably think, why would you make a video about a phone mount? But I felt like it was appropriate because I have tried a lot of phone mounts and I think this is probably the best one so far. There's a couple other options for the GTI that are specific to the model, and so is this one. So you guys out there that have a GTI, you might be curious, so stay tuned and see what we have to install today. So all of our little pieces for this install are right here. The brand that makes this phone mount is called Rennline. So a while back, I was watching a video on Obsessed Garage, his YouTube channel, and he did a phone mount in his Porsche 911 of the Rennline phone mount. And it is a magnetic style mount. I'm not big into clips or cases or things like that. My phone is very much a tool. You can see it's been cracked, you know, I drop it. It's very much a tool to me, but I like to use it for music and navigation and all things like that. So I wanted to try out the magnetic phone mount to keep things subtle. I don't need to add a new case to it or anything like that. Just slap the magnet on and go. So this involves taking apart the dash a little bit to get these parts installed. So let's jump into the car and we will get all of this installed and test it out. All right, so welcome to the interior of the GTI. So in the past, I've always used the phone mounts that suction cup to the windscreen. If you guys aren't from Texas, what happens is it gets so hot here that the mounts that go to the windshield eventually dry out, they fall, things fall off while you're driving, it's really annoying. So I thought, what better way to mount your phone than to almost integrate it into the radio, and that's what this Rennline kit does. The Rennline kit does include a instruction sheet, so we are going to be following these today. So what we'll do first is we'll take our little piece, take your screw for the ball mount, put it into the back, and then take your ball mount and tighten it down onto there. You want to take an Allen wrench and tighten it down as well. So that bottom piece, it came off really easy by opening up the bottom door, reaching under, and just, you can pry it off. So next what you're gonna have to do is we need to get the top part of the radio out, which should be similar to getting the bottom out. So I'm just gonna pry along the sides. Now they say there's only one way for this to go in. I think it fits in around the radio knob like that. It fits into the back, fits on the back of the outside piece. Okay, I see. So once you get it in, like, there's a certain spot, or once you get it in that certain spot, it doesn't want to move. So it's easy enough. You can definitely feel where it is on the back here. So I guess I'm gonna remove the double-sided tape. Make sure it's in that little notch where we want it to be. Right there. I'm gonna press it down. We should be able to push everything back in. That's in there. It's very secure, which is nice. We're going to go ahead and take our HVAC panel, put that back on, and then we'll take our little screw, ball screw, and then this side attaches like that, right over at the top. And then you just tighten it down Then you're gonna take your phone and make sure the back is cleaned off. So they give you two mounts. They give you a square one and a circle one. The circle one really sticks on there, as does the square one. I think I'm gonna probably go with the circle mount. On my phone right here, I'm gonna place it basically in the middle, just like that. And mounts up just like that. Got the phone all installed and it fits on there very, very nicely. It's a strong magnetic fit. It is a little loose, so you can kind of adjust it to how you want, but it doesn't look like it'll really, I'm putting some good force on it and it's kind of just springing back to where it was. So I think that looks really nice. Pulling it off, putting it on, feels really good in the hands, and I'm really happy with the way this install came out. It's hard to see the phone since everything's so black and reflective, but it's really good. I like it. I'm happy with the way this turned out, and now I have a usable phone mount in the car that's pretty much integrated into the dashboard. I can plug it in and charge it. I can, you know, change music if I need to. If something is on the navigation, I can see it. I can turn it sideways for navigation, which is really, really nice. I like that a lot. And a pretty easy install. It was a little confusing at first trying to get these off, but eventually I got it figured out. It's pretty easy to install all together. So thanks so much for tuning in and checking out the Rennline magnetic phone mount install into the Mk7 GTI. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. There's a link down below to pick up the product from Rennline if you're so interested. I would recommend it. It's got a nice hold. It's really pretty subtle when you take the phone off and put it on. And it looks really nice. So link is down in the description below. If you're new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I will see you in the next video.